What if I told you a man lived a normal life, job, family, everything, but he had almost no brain? No, this is not science fiction.
Mhm.
His name was Hervé, a French civil servant. For 44 years, he lived an ordinary life, unaware of an extraordinary truth inside his skull. In 2007, Hervé went to the doctor for a simple problem, leg pain. Doctors scanned his brain and froze. His skull was almost completely filled with fluid. His brain had been squeezed into a thin sheet. Scientists ask it a terrifying question. How can a man with almost no brain tissue live normally? It turned out he had hydrocephalus, fluid building up over years, slowly remixing and reshaping his brain. His brain didn't disappear, it rewired itself. The human brain adapted in ways scientists still cannot fully explain. With only 10% of normal brain volume, Hervé still worked, talked, drove, and lived a peaceful, happy life. His story shattered everything we believed about intelligence, memory, and consciousness. Maybe the real power isn't how much brain you have, but how your mind adapts. Now you know, a man truly lived almost without a brain. What other mysteries is the human mind hiding? Subscribe for more unbelievable true stories.